What's up you guys, the VR-4 is finally back from the paint shop and it needs some attention to details as well as some serious paint correction. For the plastic trim pieces, I used Mother's Back to Black. I really soaked the pieces with it and they turned out great. And for the metal pieces, I used Rust-Oleum touch-up paint, gloss black, after sanding them down with 400 grit sandpaper, and they came out really nice too. For the paint correction, I had to call my good friend over from Paint and Polish Masters because he specializes in paint correction, and since it was gonna be such an extensive job, I really needed his help. And I'm happy to say that we drastically increased the look of the paint job. That is gonna be all for this quick video today guys, but I will be uploading a video on the VR-4 shortly.